Ready to witness a head-to-head battle between two AI titans vying for the throne of image generation? Today, we're diving deep into Magnific AI and Stable Diffusion, dissecting their strengths, weaknesses, and ultimately, helping you decide which tool reigns supreme for your creative needs. First up, Magnific AI, known for its incredible upscaling capabilities. Its algorithm excels at adding intricate details and enhancing resolution, breathing new life into existing images. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to control the upscale factor, creativity level y influencing how much the AI deviates from the original image y and resemblance, dictating how closely it sticks to the source. Now, let's turn to Stable Diffusion. This open-source powerhouse offers unparalleled customization and control over the image generation process. While it might have a steeper learning curve, its text-to-image capabilities, combined with a vast ecosystem of models and extensions, unlock limitless artistic possibilities. You describe what you want, and Stable Diffusion brings it to life. In terms of speed, Magnific AI often boasts quicker upscaling, while Stable Diffusion's generation speed varies significantly based on your hardware and chosen model. But resolution isn't everything. Magnific AI truly shines when you need to add detail to blurry or low-resolution images, making it perfect for enhancing textures or portraits. Stable Diffusion gives you more control over creative output. It produces photorealistic images and abstract art. Remember, both tools raise ethical considerations regarding AI-generated content. Always be mindful of copyright, licensing, and the potential impact on the creative industry. So, which tool is right for you? Magnific AI offers ease of use and remarkable upscaling, while Stable Diffusion provides unparalleled control and creative freedom. The choice is yours. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more AI deep dives.